Wystan Hugh Auden. Oh, what is that sound? Oh, what is that sound which so thrills the ear? Down in the valley, drumming, drumming. Only the scarlet soldiers, dear, the soldiers coming. Oh, what is that light I see, flashing so clear over the distance brightly, brightly? Only the sun on their weapons, dear, as they step lightly. Oh, what are they doing with all that cheer? What are they doing this morning? Only their usual maneuver, dear, or perhaps warning. Oh, why have they left the road down there? Why are they suddenly wheeling? Perhaps a change in their order, dear? Why are you kneeling? Oh, haven't they stopped for the doctor's care? Haven't they reined their horses? Why, they are none of them wounded, dear. None of these forces. Oh, is it the parson they want, with white hair? Is it the parson? Is it? No, they are passing his gateway, dear, without a visit. Oh, it must be the farmer that lives so near. It must be the farmer so cunning. They have passed the farmyard already, dear, and now they are running. Oh, where are you going? Stay with me here, where the wolves you swore deceiving. No, I promised to love you, dear, but I must be leaving. Oh, it's broken, the lock, and splintered the door. Oh, it's the gate where they're turning. Their boots are heavy on the floor, and their eyes are burning.